we'll create an isometric model like this. First, switch to isometric drafting mode. Okay. And then there are three planes here: iso left plane, iso right plane, and iso top plane and iso right plane. In this case, this is iso right plane, and this plane is iso left plane, and this horizontal plane is iso top plane. So we sketch this profile in the iso right plane and then copy it to this distance and complete this model. So select iso right and put it in ortho mode. Start a line from here. Press escape to come out of this. Line command. Specify the first point and give 100 millimeters. Then go up by 45 millimeters. And to the left by 20 millimeters, and to the left by 15 millimeters. Okay, and then go down by 25 millimeters, to the left by 30 millimeters, go up by 25 millimeters, to the left by 15 millimeters, and again to the left by 20 millimeters, and come down to this. Enter. Now we have to remove this corner here from this point to this point and from this point to this point. So we'll draw a line and delete unwanted lines. So repeat line from the end of this line to the come out of the ortho mode to the end of this line. Repeat line from the end of this line to the end of this line. Enter. Now delete, select objects, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Come out of this mode, press escape to be sure. And now this profile has to be copied through a distance of 40 millimeters like this. So draw a line first. That line happens to be in the top plane, iso top plane. So switch to iso top plane first, iso top, and then draw a line here. Start from the end of this line, draw a line here which is 40 millimeter long. Okay, come out of the command. Now this shape has to be shifted through this. So go to copy, select objects, select all these lines, like this. Come out of the complete selection of objects. Base point you can specify anywhere and move 40 millimeter to the left like this. So select base point and then move it like this. Put it in ortho mode first. Okay. enter, copy, come out of the selection, then specify base point. Base point is the end of this line. Okay, and then destination point is end of that line. Come out of the command. Now copy this line here, here. This anyway will not be seen, here and here and here. So copy this object, selection complete. Base point is end of this line. Copy it here, copy it here, copy it here, copy it end of this line, and also at the end of this line. Enter. Now there are unwanted lines in this, so go to erase, erase this line and also this line. Now these lines here, they are to be trimmed, so come out of this command, escape, go to trim, right click to select all, and then keep trimming this. Okay, this segment cannot be trimmed, you have to delete it. So select it and then delete it. Okay. So that completes the creation of the model. Now we have to dimension this. To dimension, go to align dimension, right click, select the object whose dimension you want to place, right click again, repeat align, right click, and then this height you have to give. Repeat aligned, right click, select this object and put the dimension here, and then repeat align, select this object, repeat align, select this object, repeat align from the end of this to the end of this, write a dimension there, so that is 30, and then we have to write a dimension between these 2 points. So repeat aligned from the end of this escape. Okay. Now Alt